guys. All right, so we've been talking about weather and science, and this week we're going to be focusing on severe weather and clouds. So we're going to do a little experiment to see if we can simulate what a thunderstorm does. Because when a thunderstorm happens, it's because a warm front and a cold front meet. Remember we talked about warm fronts and cold fronts and how it's just a big mass of air that's a certain temperature. So when you have a lot of warm air coming this way and a lot of cold air coming this way, what happens is the warm air goes above the cold air, okay? So we're gonna see if we can make that happen. And full disclosure, this is my second time trying. So if you try this, make plenty of blue ice cubes. I'll tell you about that in a second. So I have some red food coloring and I have my giant blue ice cube that I made in just this plastic container because I didn't have an ice tray. So, and I also have this glass container of warm water. You wanna make sure it's glass and that you can see through the side so that you can see the experiment happening. We're gonna try this again. We're gonna see if it happens. So I'm gonna put a drop of red food coloring. I'm actually gonna put 2 drops right there. And I'm going to give it a little shake. These are a little bit thicker food coloring than, here we go. There we go, okay, so now I've got some red, okay? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this blue ice cube right here very carefully, and we're gonna watch what happens. We're gonna see if we can see it happening. It's happening! Okay, I don't know if you can see. The red is going above the blue. That's exactly what we wanted to happen. Do you see it? Do you see the blue on the bottom? There's blue on the bottom and the red on the top. Okay, so that's what happens whenever you have a thunderstorm. You have the red water is simulating the warm front and the the blue ice cube is simulating the cold front. And when those two fronts come together and the cold air goes below and the warm air goes above, that makes all kinds of things happen in the clouds. And that's what creates thunderstorms. And it creates all these electrical charges that make lightning and thunder. And that's what we see and hear whenever we have thunderstorm. So all you're gonna need is the glass container, warm water, blue ice cube. Just put a couple drops of blue food coloring in there. And then, can you see it? Can you see all the blues on the bottom? And then you're gonna need red food coloring that you wanna put on just one side, okay? And then if you want to video your experiment, you can video it and then post it to Seesaw, and we would love to see it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.